Hello. Um, Today I want to do a quick video for you. In this video, I want to show it to you a little bit about water damage iPhones because I have a lot of customers uh, who have iPhones, but they have either they drop their phone inside water or drop it in toilet, or they were coming from work and they were caught in the rain and the rain damaged their phones, or better said too, we can still say water. But the question is, what happened when you knew that your phone got wet? uh, Sometimes you see different videos circulating online whereby you see some people advising users to put their phones inside microwave. I one time had a customer who put his Samsung Notes in microwave, and almost one side of the phone were all burnt, including the motherboard. Uh, that's something that nobody should try. And sometimes too, you will see some people telling users, when your phone get wet, you have to put it inside rice. All that is something that are not advisable, to be honest with you. Okay, so today I have an iPhone here, iPhone 7, uh, which is water damage, right? So I have everything on here. I believe you can see everything on my desk here. So I already took everything apart so that I can better explain and demonstrate to you how the phone itself inside look like. So as you can see, the inside of the phone is like a container. It's like a basket, if I can put that way. It's like a container which is completely sealed, right? So if a water get inside this, it's like there are still water left inside. Okay, and we have the side of a camera here, and we have your speaker, and also we have your connection to the motherboard from the charging port here, and we have the vibrator here as well. So for example, like when water get inside here, sometimes it also depends on like how bad the water do get inside the phone too. So if once water get inside here, we have some things here which are also rubber and plastics too. They all get sucked. You understand? So they all get sucked, and then you also going to have some water particles left inside the casing of your phone here. And on top of that too, you also going to have your battery as well. So of course your battery is also going to get sucked in water, right? And we all do know that batteries do still contain some power as well, right? And then we have your motherboard itself. So I believe you can see this motherboard clearly, right? I already took everything apart. This is iPhone 7 motherboard. This is how it looks like. So if you look here, inside here, that's where the chips are and everything, and also the ROMs of where your data are stored. So if you look here, you can see there are some sections here which water can easily pass through inside. So if this is lying inside the bowl like that, of course there are some water particles that are still going to be left inside, even your motherboard too. And on top of it too, your motherboard is also going to get wet, right? And if you look inside some section as well, you're going to see there are some rubber there too. If you put rubber inside water, of course it's going to get sucked too. Some of them are looks like sponge as well. So what I'm trying to say here is this, and also we have your camera here as well and everything. So and then we have your screen. This is how the screen of the iPhone look like, iPhone 7 I mean. So we have the connection from the LCD and also the digitizer. Then we have the flex cable here from your speaker, which is supporting your speaker, headphone speaker, as well as the your front facing camera too as well. So once the phone gets inside water, or you come from work. Okay, so so the video got cut off. Yeah, so my advice really is, do not try to put your iPhone or phone inside microwave, or inside rice, or inside a rice cooker, or inside oven, because I've seen, I have had some of my customers do that, and unfortunately they damage their phone. Okay, so because as you can see here right now, once the phone gets inside water, the water and the phone gets sucked, because the case of the phone is all rounded, and it's like a container. So once water is here, there's water here, it has to be emptied first. Also, the motherboard have to be taken care of by the experts, or by the phone technicians as well, so that they can take the water component outside, off from any um, part of the board that they believe it is, and also like they can easily revive the motherboard using different techniques as well, that are currently available to us. Also, the battery, most of the time the battery is completely damaged, so definitely you have to replace the battery. And also the charging port too, especially if the phone get inside water and you plug it, you have to like change your charging port too, most of the time. But sometimes the charging port doesn't get damaged, that is if the user or the owner did not plug it whilst the phone is wet. So whilst your phone is wet, please do not try to charge your phone. And also, another thing you should do also is switch off your phone completely, and just put it aside, and then take it to a technician for them to have a look at it, and also for them to fix it for you as well. And obviously, you will need to replace your screen too, most of the time too, especially if it is dropped inside the toilet, or you're going from work and you are caught on the rain. Yes, definitely, all these things have to be done. But if you put it in rice, most of the time, I would say 99% of the time, you're definitely going to damage your phone. You're going to damage your camera, you're going to damage your motherboard as well. This is expensive, so if you damage this thing, it's somehow like you have to go and buy a new phone as well, unless you're lucky to have a technician who is able to fix it for you at a very low rate, or if you're able to like find a new motherboard at a cheaper price as well. Okay, that's all I have for you today, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, please feel free and drop me a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions as well. Thank you, have a good day.